Hello, this class we are going to learn about the poem An Old Woman by Arun Kolatkar. Arun Kolatkar was born in 1932 and died in 2004. Was educated in Mumbai where he worked as a graphic artist. A winner of the Commonwealth Poetry Prize, Kolatkar has contributed to Kavi Opinion Literary Review, New Writing in India and the Shell and the Rain. He is bilingual poet and has translated Marathi poems into English. This poem is selected from Jesuri, a collection of his poems. Let us learn the summary of the poem An Old Woman in English. An old woman touches a tourist's sleeve and tags along with him. She wants a 50 pice coin. For this, she offers to show him the horseshoe string. This refers to legends centered around a horseshoe-shaped depression in a rock about Gandoba, the presenting deity at Cezuri, who leaped from that rock onto his horse as he carried his wife with him. This is a legend that the true believer reverses and the skeptic doubts. Solution: the tourist moves away as he has seen the string already. The old woman tightens her grips and hobbles along, not giving up so easily. She is persistent. She clings to him like a burr, a bricky seed pod that clinches to clothes. Let us learn summary. Irritated by his persistence, the tourist decides to face her with an air of finality. He decides that he will not yell to her and thereby wants to put an end of the farce. He presumes that his no-nonsense reaction will tell her, but the old woman's matter-of-fact question, what else would an old woman do to survive on this wretched hills, strikes the narrator like a thunderbolt. The stark reality that hits the narrator allows him to see her at closer quarters. When he turns to look at her face, he is shocked. There are two deep, sunken eyes that look like bullet holes. Her skin is wrinkled and cracks appear around her eyes and spread beyond her skin. He feels that everything is falling apart. Everything is cracked and in ruins. The cracks spread beyond her skin to the hills and the sky. There is a catastrophe. The hills crack, the temples crack, and the sky falls and shatters like a sheet of glass. But the woman stands there as a symbol of all-round degradation. The narrator feels ashamed he is reduced to the small change in the heartland. In a moment of the realization, the narrator, tourist, finds himself reduced in his self-esteem. His awakening to the real world makes him feel small, as insignificant as the small coin in her hand. This is a very small, brief summary of the poem. So after this, you read the textbook. Then you can easily understand the poem.